Hello, this is Lego Geekifies doing a quick review on the new Lego set that I just got. It's not that new. It's a winter set. It's ages 6 to 12. Set number is 75000, and it's called the Clone Troopers vs. Droidekas, and it has 124 pieces. This is a battle pack, the newer ones. So it comes with a lot of extra pieces. Show you the box a little. Has the new Yoda on it. Yeah, just a quick view, and the instructions are very simple too. I'm gonna start out with the figures. They made new clone troopers. He's a blaster. His torso is very similar to this torso. This one just is more realistic and has more detail. And the helmet, comparing to this Clone Wars helmet, this Clone Wars one is more cartoony, as this one is a lot more realistic. So now let's actually review them. Here's the black line, the dashes, the visor is nice. It's really good detail. They made a new face for the clone. Yeah. I don't know when they're gonna change the blaster. Okay. Next we have the ARC Trooper. He's actually called the Clone Trooper Sergeant, but he is an ARC Trooper. His color is olive green. Comes with binoculars. He has the 4 dots. He has the same printing, but then his arms are green. Also, his head, same. But I like what they did with the visor. They made it silver. Yeah, it's a cool figure. Alright, now let's go to the Droidekas. Comes with 2. I'm just going to show you one. So I don't know how they fold up and roll, but something they can do, they can move the guns. I don't know if that red part is the eye or something, but it's a really cool thing to get. So yeah. Finally, for the command center, the doors go down. I'm pretty sure they're doors. The back. Well, I don't know if this is a speeder or command center, but the back has a blaster. You can just get right there. There's a radar, and also, if you have both people in, you can sit them down, one on each side. Or you can just put the lieutenant or something in the center, because there's a radar there. And he'll be in the command center. But also, one thing that's cool, it's sort of like a secret weapon. This opens up. There's a flick fire missile. Yeah, you just pop it right back in. This is really detailed. So yeah. I suggest you get this set, because you can make battles, and if you get 6 of them, you'll have 12 Droidekas 12 troopers and 6 command centers. Make a huge battle with it. So yeah, this is Lego Geekifies signing out. So please rate, comment, and subscribe. Lego Geekifies signing out. Thank you.